Okay, welcome back to Craving for Cobble. Before we started, wait, what's the video? Shoot, I lost the video. I'm sorry. Okay, so I did a bit of research, and I found this one guy who I didn't watch his design, but I saw something very interesting from it, and I wanted to give him credit for that. Where basically, it turns out the seeds are still very useful. So we're gonna be making. So how do we make this? Well, we'll need observe. We'll need observers. So that's dispensers, redstones, hopper, and chest, which is all we really need for now. Now you may be asking, oh, where are you going to do this? How are you going to do this? Well, you don't need to worry. We are literally just going to run around right now, grab everything, and we're going to just focus on the red ones. Just because I know we have so many red ones, it doesn't really matter that much. Okay, so how's this gonna work? I will show you when I figure out what spot we're doing it in. So I just dug this out a little bit. I'm gonna just quickly rebuild, or just kind of like reshape this so that way it's kind of hidden a little. I don't know. This is all I really got. Okay, this is how we're dealing with it. Okay, good to know. And now, time for the next step, which will involve you. We're gonna start it right. We're going to dig down a 1x4 hole, or 4x. We're just gonna dig a little. Don't worry, it's all safe, and I think I understand what's happening. Keyword think. Because I don't know, and we'll figure it out as we go. Okay, so, from what I understand, they can go how far out? Okay, we're gonna plan for them going 2 out. So, 1, so if we have it there, right? So I'm looking at that tree to see. Yep. Right about here is good enough. And we don't have any bone meal, but we're gonna grab that really fast and okay, with no source of mimicry at all, I definitely didn't do it all. I definitely didn't bone meal. I would never, because I'm definitely so much better. We didn't get, because we want leaves on this. So what we're gonna do now, and it's a lot easier for me because I'm short, but we're going to, and this is what I learned. You can put, who are you? Ace Trainer. Okay, we don't care about that. Okay, and that's pretty much all we're gonna do. So, gonna clear out this whole field, because, no offense, the grass is kind of a bit much. So yeah, we're gonna clear out the field, get going a bunch of plants and that kind of stuff, and we'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I just did it on this tree where all 3 of them are on the same. So, how are we gonna do this? Well, it's gonna be a longer process than I like, but it's gonna involve this guy taking all of this, gonna sleep, and I'll show you pretty much what we're doing the whole time. And no, I just didn't use it the first time because I kind of forgot we had the farmer. But yeah, we're just gonna stay here, click it, and yeah. So yeah, nope, you don't get to see those, but yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so it's done. So basically what I did is, what it kind of looks like actually, basically, see each of these apricorns, how they're attached to the leaf with these underneath. So now, they shouldn't be moving at all. And so now, sorry bud, but we're gonna just slowly and steadily separate the wall just in case. Okay, good, we're good. Right? Yep. And we're just gonna keep on doing this for a minute. Because I'm not risking nothing. We're almost halfway through the wall. And I don't think they shouldn't despawn because of leaves on the other side. Okay. And they're officially detached. Hold on, I'm scared a creeper's gonna come and blow it up, so we're just gonna pop it on over here. Barbarnacle. Okay. And by the way, when I say starter base for this, I don't mean, oh, bases are gonna be like huge, like mega bases. I just mean like not very detailed. It's like very starter Minecraft. If you get that sort of vibe from it. Like, you could see someone from 2011 doing it. Actually, that wouldn't surprise me. But yeah, no, I want to use a lot more resources. I want to use a lot more everything. And I'm debating adding like a building mod to this little mod pack. Okay. This is the scary part. And it's done. It is all officially. It is actually almost all officially done. And now, time for the second part. Okay, so it's all done. And now for the second part. Hoppers. We need a lot of them. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just lost count. Sorry, everything just kind of blacked out for a second. Not great, but oh well. Yeah, and for the people I'm doing, I'm part of Bear and Scared, but I decided I'm not gonna post that because it's kind of like just for fun, honestly. I mean, I have the footage. I might post it later, but so sorry. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, not 10. So we need to make 10 hoppers, 10 chests, 50 iron. Or sorry, we need to make 12 chests, 50 iron. Okay. So, how much wood we got? Come on, Woody. Let's just Apricorn stuff I don't want to use right now, so we're just gonna not. hoppers. We need a few more chests. I just realized that. Hold on. My brain's all over the place. I think 8 should be more than enough. Or an alpha. Wait, there are alphas in this? Hold on. Sorry, I'm like... That's shocking. Where would the... I know it's on the Toxapex, right? Yeah, it's on the Toxapex. Where would this alpha be? Oh, it's that artillery, probably. Huh. I'm not touching that. That's 57. That's scary. Jesus. Okay, so how is this gonna work? Pretty much. It works pretty much with 1, 2. So we just need 20 more iron, and then we'll be done. Or we'll be done with that part, and I'll still need a lot more to do, but you know, small details. Okay. And then for the block in front, okay, we're gonna just build it all, everything, and then we're just gonna put a block in front. But before we even do that, we need observer. We need 1 observer, which means we need a piece of quartz. Do we have any of that lying around anywhere? Not that I can see, but I'm also like very blind, so I think next episode we're just gonna hard focus the ME system. I don't see quartz, so let's go look. We're gonna have, by the way, the setup, we're just doing it on 1 episode, but like we might do a second where I'm gonna explain it all, and kind of like, because it's kind of similar to like a bamboo farm or a sugarcane farm. Up we go, because those are scary. Okay. We can probably get to here. 3. Okay, and then up there. That's the course we're gonna go for. Okay, and okay, there we go. We got 10 quartz. That's 10 times what we need. And those hoglins are like really loud. Hold on, options, music sounds. That's why they were so loud. They're like, wait. Okay. This is fine. That was fine. And let's go through. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, and so let's make our observer. And how do you make a dropper anyway? Bows, really? I might do some string farming really fast, but Can we just uncraft you? No. How many do we got? Okay. 16. 9. So we need, so we need 30 string in total. We can take some glass because we're going to use you. We're going to need a lot of cobble. A lot of cobble. Oh, and sticks. Here, stick, stick. String, string. String, stick, string, stick. Stick, string, stick. Put the bone meal and pep flour away. Stick, string, string, stick. String, stick, string, stick. Stick, string. Stick, string. Okay, there we go. And let's create as many as we can. And so now which just sucks because we can't auto craft like bulks of these. So we just need 5 more. God, this sucks. Thought we would only need 30. Wait. No, because of the sticks as well. Hold on, let me just... There we go. That makes more sense, yeah. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna look for more string, but in the meantime, we're gonna grab some dirt first, and then we're gonna set up the dispensers. And what? And like a decent viewing block too, so like... If we can just do like a few, probably, like, that's more than we need. This is just for looking. Just because I think like, I just like the look of stone. It's nice. See, they're gonna fall, not into my inventory, but each one of them, except for this one, which is the only one I can, that no one else can harvest but me, so. And then we're just gonna then just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So we just need 2 more for these 2, and we'll be back when we get the string. You're not gonna believe what just happened, but I just got a premonition. It's this way. 1, 2, where were you? This way. There you are. Now if I could catch you in this, that would be awesome. Oh my god. Could I catch a full line, perhaps? Oh man, that would be so fun. But oh well. I still want to catch you in the Viridian Ball, but... like... Cravette. And then 15. Oh wow. Okay, I think I can do one more Cravette. Just don't kill it. Ooh, no, catch. One Cravette ball. Thank you, Tinkatuff. I hate this Pokemon, Tinkatuff. You suck. Still gotta catch it, but like... let's use you. I mean, if I could use that on a yellow shiny, that would be so much cooler, but I can't, so... I still don't like him. Okay, let's see how we... sorry, wrong one. Don't need you. Did we make the observer already? No, we didn't. So let's go do that right now. We're gonna need to do it anyway, so... observer. Observe. Just... and let's get this going. Get the ball rolling. When everything else got showing. Okay, how do you make... you don't need that. How do you make string though? Like, there's gotta be more ways. I don't care about flax string. What about string? Just string. Pineco, Caterpie. Oh, well, do I have news for you, Fletchender? Let's take to the skies and kill some bugs for string. Then when we're done with that, we'll help out. Then we'll finish the farm, and that'll be the video. I think, maybe. Who knows? I might do the Emmy, I might not. We'll see how it's running. But like, any bug that has string anywhere related to it, so... Kakuna. I think you can. Only one way to find out. Oh no, Harden. Whatever will you do? Okay, I know Weedle does, maybe not Kakuna. I'll be back when I get to the string. Sorry, I just had to copy, or stop my music, cause not allowed. But look what I found! Definitely gonna use you if I can get you. Oh my god, an Embor, that would be insane! You're ineffective. I think disarming voice, then I sing. Okay. Maybe I'll... do you think I can pull off one more disarming? I think I can. Please say I can. Yes, okay. Okay, next up we're just singing. We're just gonna sing. Sing. That's all we need to do. Sleep. Okay, that's fine. Sorry, Brion, but I mean, it's not great, but you know, could be worse. Flaffy. Catch. Okay, ready? Damn it. What did you... Okay, roll out. Right. Think of tough. You can probably deal with one. Catch. Embor. Die, die, die. Die. You are now mine. That's amazing. And as for you, flame charge. String. Yes! And that makes 6. Okay, that was perfect timing. Okay. We can finally sleep. That's why I kind of love Cobblemon, because A, they heal over time, so it's not like, oh, I lost one battle, I'm kind of stuck without Pokemon until I make a healing machine, which are like really expensive. Because they know how hard that is, and like, let's be real. Like, I like how slowly they heal too. It's kind of like, it's a little harder early game, but like once you get a bed, you're good. And so now, what? Oh, okay. I get it. We gotta have like one more thing for sticks, right? Just one, that's all I need. Man, come on. Okay, yeah. And so now, 1, 2, and just like that, we are good to go. And we've finished one part. Okay. And so back here, obviously it's not the most effective one, but you know, it's a good one to start with. And so now, let's go grab some cobble. Not cobble, but some smooth stone. Now, why smooth stone? It's because I think it looks nice, honestly. It's not the best looking block, but you know. I'm not gonna go out and look for red terracotta, or like, because I think red terracotta would look the best with this. Gonna be fully honest. That's like, if I had to pick, that's what I would use, but like, I'm not gonna do that. Like, I could make it, but like, because I know where the mesa is, but yeah. I think the mesa is just too far away, honestly. For those of you about to say, oh, he says mesa, he says mesa, I know there are other ways to say it. Guess what? That's how I'm saying it. Deal with it. And then there's this whole line that gets destroyed. And so, grab some redstone. You know what I should have done? And I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna extend it by 1. Or sorry, by like 3. Make a few more hoppers, deal with it. go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 3 hoppers, which is definitely too much, but I don't care because I'm rich. I'm a richy guy. And we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Da 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 da. And so where's the redstone? Sorry, bud, but you're going to 3, 10, 11, 12, 13. And there's no real, I mean, I could just, there's one little way to test, but I kind of, actually, I'll do it right now. Hold on, let me just make a lever really fast, because we're definitely going to need a lever at some point, but okay. And so now, just kind of wait and see. Oh wait, not quite. Let me place a bunch of stuff away, and then we can do the second part of it all. Okay, and you can see what we're doing now. We're loading them up. God dang it. Actually, that's probably the best. 3, 1, 2, 3. If we can at least get 3 in each of them. And let's continue going. I'm rolling. I realized I forgot to stop. But oh well, you know what? We'll keep it in. I have a shiny version of that one. And his baby. Okay. And let me just quickly. And there's no real way to tell if it works until after it goes off. So, yeah, that's kind of it. Bye. Okay, so, it actually, let's see how it went. 43, that's not bad, so, before next episode, I want to set up at least blue ones so I can get the great ball going. And then I'll probably set up a few more apricorn trees because I don't have nearly enough of the seeds to do anything of any kind. But yeah, that's kind of it. I've been having so much fun with this, honestly, and just diving right back into it. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to do more with this. I think for now, just gotta. Also, right now we have a infinite iron farm. I want to find a way to get infinite diamonds, because no offense, Cobblemon, it's lots of fun and all that, but it's not Minecraft. There's gonna be a lot of series where I'm gonna be spending time grinding resources. This is not a series where I want to grind stuff, or I'm gonna grind stuff, but not Minecraft. I think I want to grind stuff to get more tools, have more fun with it, like the easy mob farm stuff. I don't know how any of this works, and until I figure that out, yeah, not gonna do much of it. But yeah, there's so much I want to do, and so little time to do it. Like, I want to. For those of you who don't know, I have a second series as well going on called Forgotten Worlds, and it's going to be a short series, and I gotta set up a bunch of stuff because there's a very special thing that's happening when I finish it, and if I do not have everything prepared for that, I can't finish it, and I want to finish it by the end of November, if not December. By the end of 2025, that series will be finished. And I know some people are like, oh no, I want to push it out longer, I want to do all this. I'm like, this series is not meant to be pushed out like super long. It's supposed to be like maybe it's like a 14 episode thing at most. But that's like a big maybe. So yeah. And if I can get those 14, and I'm already on episode 3, I believe. What episode am I on? Hold on. I gotta look, because yeah, I'm on episode 3 right now. I gotta make sure. Sorry, it's been so much fun, I just kind of forget sometimes. But yeah, no, I'm on episode 3 right now. I have 11 episodes to plan everything out. And no offense, they're not long episodes either if you've watched some of them. They're like 10 minutes. And like, I do stuff in them, but like this last episode, I locked in for a bit. I'm getting back into the grooves stuff from my week hiatus, and like that week kind of like took me down for a minute, but now I'm back at it, having fun, and we're gonna come back even stronger than ever. Nobody cares about that. We want to plant. See, we're gonna be planting everything, so we have 2 trees running. Do we have a black? Do we not have black? I know we have black somewhere. Where is the black apricorn? I can't find it. I need it. somewhere. I know I have a seed somewhere, but I just don't remember where. Oh, there it is. One, two, and three. These are the three I need to plant. Because pink isn't doing too hot. If we look at it. So yeah, we're gonna make another line. Start working on some other colors. Like, I think we definitely need to do green. And if we do like a little line back here. Hey Pelipper. No, if we do like black over here. What's reforestation? Okay, so we have officially gotten every type of apricorn over in some way, shape, or form. So, yeah. That's kind of it. We're done. We did it. All apricorns are finished. So,